Hi, this is Angela, and I wanted to share with you a new update to the way you can customize your Chrome experience. So, if you're looking at my Chrome screen, you can see across the top that I might have some extra tools that you don't have. There's this little picture of a QR code. This allows me to generate a QR code for whatever I am on. So, if I wanted a QR code to my Tech Teach Grow website, I can click right here on QR code, and this QR code is there. I can copy it and paste it onto a document that I was sending out, or I can download it to use however I want. There's also tools like Google Translate that help me translate a page where I can choose what language it is and automatically translate pages. I can send things to other devices that I'm also signed into. So some of these tools can really save some efficiency. Let me show you how you get them. I go ahead and click on the snowman next to my icon and come down to More Tools. Then Customize Chrome. From here, it defaults to choosing my appearance, where I can choose which colors that I want for this Chrome account, or whether I want light mode or dark mode, or if it would change depending on what mode my device was in. But there's also the section here on Toolbar. From here, I can reset to the default of the toolbar. From here, I can decide if I really never use my go forward navigation, so I'm going to turn it off so I have a little more space. You'll notice that disappeared right up here. If you use your home button, you might want it, but if you don't, you can delete the home button. Then I can come down here and say, well, I really like to make sure I can get to my history quickly and find my downloads, as well as my bookmarks. I want to be able to search with Google Lens and create QR codes quickly. I can choose whichever of these that I want. When I'm done, I click the X, and you can see that it customizes right here on what my options are. If I would like to reorder them, I can just click and drag them to different locations. And now I have easy access to different tools. If you have any questions about this or any other tech integration needs, please reach out to your Tech Teach Grow TOSAs. Thanks.